Welcome to Malaga, Spain. This beautiful port city is part of our transatlantic sailing aboard Royal Caribbean's Explorer of the Seas scheduled port stops. This is our first time visiting this historic city. Before we get into how we spent our day in Malaga, I wanted to say thank you for watching our channel. I know a lot of you are watching on your television. It is not easy to subscribe to Kelly and Vanessa Travel that way, but please take a moment to scroll over to the subscribe button and click to see all of our upcoming travels, and while you're there, click that thumbs up button. 98% of our viewers are not subscribed, and we could really use your support. Now let's get busy exploring this wonderful city in southern Spain. Enjoy! Okay, we arrived at our first stop, and this city was at one point in time part of the vast Roman Empire, and these are some of the original building blocks of the city. You can see there's a old amphitheater that they've uncovered. There's some walls and walkway. Ooh, look at this mosaic floor down there. There's stairs that go down. It must have been part of the theater. I guess this is the back of the theater. And then up top is more recent history. This is the Spanish fort that was built on top of the ruins. And it's a vast fort complex that overlooks the city. And the surroundings here are really nice. And I bet if we walk over here, we can probably see down more into the ruins. Oh yeah. Wow. Behind me here, Vanessa's famous saying, we're looking at a pile of rocks with a lot of history. Really nice boulevard there. Now we've found our way over to a large plaza. Stone statue there. Beautiful streets. And we are in search of a good place to eat lunch, but things don't appear to open up until noon for lunch. So we've got about another 45 minutes. So in the meantime, we're gonna meander. Just so European. Well, we've made our way to the Malaga bullfighting ring. First time we've ever been in a bullfighting ring. It's pretty cool.
So put your body in, stick your head out. Yeah, body in, stick your head out.
Wow.
Makes it possible to distribute the bulls within the different areas.
These are the bullpens.
These areas are known as corrales.
Wow. Okay, this is where they keep the bulls. There's a bull in here in this pen. this has been a really great tour. We're now on the actual floor of the bullfighting ring. And we've been told that there's going to be a matador that's actually going to make an appearance. So we're going to wait for that. This is really, really cool.
Este es el portón de Toriles. El interior, pues,
Lo que es la ilusión de venir a dibujar aquí.
claro, este es el pasillo de Toriles. A los lados están los chiqueros, donde están los toros. Son puertas correderas. Ahí está el toro. Segundo toro de la tarde, también armado en corredor delantero.
Pero este tiene mejor hechura. Este tiene más armonía.
Lo que pasa es que cuentan las ideas, ¿no, maestro?
Pero bueno, también nos fiamos mucho.
La hechura.
La hechura es muy importante, la ganadería.
La armonía.
Well, after a very, very enjoyable tour of that bullfighting ring, it was much better than what we had anticipated. Actually learned a lot, and it was a lot of fun. We've made our way across the street to a little Italian restaurant to have sangria and pizza. Very nice. And we're having sangria. Once again, this proves to be just an absolutely beautiful city. They have really good pedestrian walkways, green spaces. Just really beautiful. All right, we've come to the Cathedral of Malaga, and it is enormous. I've got it zoomed out and cannot get the whole front of the church. It's really beautiful. Two towering steeples. Can't see the other one over there. And let's go in and take a look.